Hello, this video is for the sophomores. This is for the second unit that you'll be doing, persuasive texts, and the first quiz of that unit, which is 2.1.4. And in this unit on persuasive text, you're going to be learning several things. Right now, I'll be talking about a few of those things. So when you're thinking about making a persuasive argument, you need to consider your audience. You want to use the right words for your audience. If you're going to talk to this group of people, for example, you're going to choose different words than if you were talking to this group of people. You want to consider your style, your tone, and your word choice. So when you are speaking, like right now I'm speaking, you can hear the tone of my voice. But if I were to be writing it down, if I were to be writing something down, your tone, my tone would be conveyed by my word choice. Because when you're reading something, you can't hear what the person is saying. You can't hear if they're cheerful or sad. So a writer needs to choose words that will convey his or her tone. Also, we'll be really quick. I need to tell you about what summaries are. So a summary, as you probably already know, but I'll say anyway, for helping you with this unit in this quiz. So a summary is a short retelling of the main points of something. It sticks with facts. So opinions aren't stated in a summary. It's just, this is what happened. Here's this story, and here is what happened in the story. You're also going to be reading an article called Vertically Challenged Sanitation Engineer Wanted. So you need to read that to help you with the quiz. And also I'm going to be talking about some different words and and their definitions. So you need to know what a euphemism is. A euphemism is a way of saying something so that it's less harsh. Two words might mean the same thing, like unemployed and between jobs mean the same thing, but between jobs is a euphemism. It's to make the fact that somebody doesn't have a job at the moment less harsh. And word choice or diction is again, it's an important part of persuading people. So, like for example, if I were to be talking to, well, let's see, telling somebody about my brother who lost his job, I might choose to say he's between jobs to make it a little bit more positive. Also, you'll need to know the difference between denotation and connotation. Denotation is a word's literal meaning. For example, the word aroma literally means a smell, but so does stench. They both mean smell. But connotation is a word's suggested meaning. Both aroma and stench mean a smell, but aroma, the connotation of the word aroma is positive, and the connotation of stench is negative. You get an aroma from flowers. You get a stench from stinky garbage. And hopefully this will be able to help you with your first quiz of Unit 2, which is 2.1.4 for the sophomores.